Hi guys, it's that time of year. Got all my Christmas solar rockers out of the loft where they've been in storage, and that one needs a little bit of work. Looks like the panel's fallen inside where it's been thrown in the bag. With a bit of luck, that'll just be a matter of popping the bottom off and just putting it back in place. Right, you have to take it right off. Got to be careful so we don't accidentally break those extra thin wires. A bit of a limp shake, isn't it? Feels to me like there's something broken across there, so she's not hanging straight. Well, it took me a while to figure out what was wrong, but we got there in the end. See that little bit of plastic there? That should be just here. If I turn this sideways, I can see that piece. Well, it should be the same on the opposite side, and it's broken off. So we need to glue that to get it all back together. Fixed. So obviously it had been dropped or something at some time which had knocked the panel out the bottom, but that was a minor problem. It was actually the fact the pivot point was broken up there, or in there. Now that I've glued that back together, I've got a happy little angel. Well, that wasn't what I intended to be doing this morning. Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.